Good morning, students. Today we will complete exercise 2.7. We will start from fourth question. This is also based on division of two numbers. 7.9 is divisible by 1000. I will convert this number into fractional form. 79 upon 10 divided by 1000 upon 1. To solve this division sign, I will use multiply and reciprocal. 79 upon 10 multiply by 1 upon 1000. There will be 4 zeros in denominator. 79 upon 10,000. I will put decimal before 4 digit. There are 2. I will put 2 zeros from my side. Then I will put decimal before 4 digits. Answer will be 0.0079. Second part is 26.3 is divided by 1000. Again I will solve this, convert this number decimal number into fractional form. 263 upon 10 is divided by 1000 by 1. To solve this division sign, multiply and reciprocal like this. Then I will multiply 10 and 1000, it will become 10,000. I will put decimal before 4 digit because there are 4 zeros. Answer will be 0.0263. 10 is from my side to become this number 4 digit number. Third part is 38.53 is divided by 1000. I will convert this number into fractional form. There are decimal before 2 digits. It means in denominator there will be 100. 3853 is divided by 100, then divided by 1000 by 1. To solve this division sign, I will use multiply and reciprocal like this. There are 2 zeros here and 3 zeros here. There will be 5 zeros in denominator. So I will put decimal before 5 digit, but there are 4 digits, so I will put 0 from my side. Answer will be 0.03853. Fourth part is 128.9 is divided by 1000. I will convert this number into fractional form. 1289 upon 10 is divided by 1000 by 1. To convert this decimal sign, to convert this divide sign, I will use multiply and reciprocal like this. In denominator there will be 4 zeros, so I will put decimal before 4 digits. 1 2 3 4. So I will put decimal here. Answer will be 0.1289. Fifth part is 0.5 is divided by 1000. I will convert this number into fractional form. 5 by 10 is divided by 1000 by 1. I will solve this divide sign by multiply and reciprocal. 5 by 10 multiply by 1 upon 1000. There will be 10 multiply by 1000. There will be 4 zeros. It means 10,000. 5 upon 10,000. 10,000. So I will put decimal before 4 digits because there are 4 zeros. The answer will be 0.0005. There I will put 3 zeros from my side and 1 digit is given. Fifth question is find again divide. 7 is divided by 3.5. 7 by 1 divided by 35 by 10. I will remove decimal first. Then I will solve this divide sign with by method of multiply and reciprocal. I have multiplied sign and reciprocal method. 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. There is nothing to left, only 2 is left. 2 is answer. Second part is 36 is divided by 0.2. 36 by 1 divided by 2 by 0. 0.2. I will convert this fractional number in this decimal number into fractional form. 2 by 10. Then I will solve this divide sign into multiply and reciprocal. Then I will cut 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. 36 multiply by 5. Answer will be 180. Third part 3.25 is divided by 0.5. 3.25 means 325 upon 100. I will convert into fractional form. Divided by 5 by 10. Then I will solve this division sign by multiply and reciprocal. I will cut 10 by 10. 5 ones are 5, 65. 65 by 10 means I will convert this number into fractional form. 6.5. Students, I will not cut 65 and 10 because if I will cut 65 and 10 in the table of 5, the question will become complicated to convert into decimal place. So I have left 10, 100 decimal in denominator so that I can easily convert them into decimal form. Fourth part is 30.94 is divided by 0.7. I will convert this fractional form in first, then 7 by 10, then multiply and reciprocal to solve this divide sign. And then I will cut 10 say 10, 7 ones are 7, 442. When I will cut this number, I will get 442 by 10, or I will put decimal before 1 digit because there is 10. The answer will be 44.2. Fifth part is 0.5 is divided by 0.25. I will convert this number into fractional form like this: 5 by 10 divided by 25 by 100. Then I will solve this divide sign by multiply and reciprocal. 5 by 10 multiply by 100 by 25. Students, 0 से 0 cut. 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 ones are 5, 5 2s are 10. Last answer is 2. Sixth part is 7.75 is divided by 0.25. 7.75, so I will convert this number into fractional form. There are decimal before 2 digits, so I will put two zeros in denominator. There are also decimal before 2 digits, I will put 100 in denominator. I will solve this division sign with multiply and reciprocal. Students, how will cut this number? Look at carefully please. 100 से 100 cancel. 25 वन ज़ा 25, 25 775 25 की टेबल में 31 पे कट हो गया, तो ओनली 31 इज लेफ्ट. 31 वन ज़ा 31, आंसर इज 31. सेवन्थ पार्ट इज 76.5 इज डिवाइडेड बाई 0.15. आई विल कन्वर्ट दिस नंबर इंटू फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म. 765/10 इज डिवाइडेड बाई 15 by 100. 100 इसलिए लगाया क्योंकि डेसिमल के बाद 2 डिजिट है, तो यहाँ भी 2 जीरो आएंगी. डेसिमल के बाद यहाँ 1 जीरो है, 1 डिजिट है, तो यहाँ भी 1 जीरो आएगी. आई विल सॉल्व दिस डिवाइड साइन by multiply and reciprocal method. I will cut 0 by 0. 15 ones are 15. This is 51. This is 51. 51 multiply by 10. Answer is 510. Now 8th and 9th part is homework. Students, these two parts you have to do yourselves. Now 6th question is: a vehicle covers distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liters of petrol. How much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? 2.4 लीटर में एक डिस्टेंस कवर करता है एक व्हीकल 43.2 किलोमीटर. यू हैव टू फाइंड हाउ मच डिस्टेंस इन 1 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल. 1 लीटर पेट्रोल में कितना डिस्टेंस कवर होगा. डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 2.4 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल इज इक्वल टू 43.2 किलोमीटर. डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन 1 लीटर ऑफ पेट्रोल इज इक्वल टू 43.2 इज डिवाइडेड बाई 2.4. स्टूडेंट्स, जब हम बड़े नंबर से छोटे नंबर पे आते हैं तो वी विल ऑलवेज यूज डिवाइड साइन. 432 divided by 10 divided by 24 by 10. I will remove their decimal here. Then I will put 10 in denominator. Here I put 10 in denominator also, because the decimal is given before one digit. Here is decimal is given before one digit. 432 multiply by 10, divide by 10 multiply by this divide sign I will solve by multiply and reciprocal. 10 by 24. स्टूडेंट्स 10 से 10 कैंसिल हो गया. 432 को 24 से डिवाइड किया. 24 वन सा एंड 192 इज लेफ्ट. 24 8 सा 192. इट मीन्स a vehicle covered distance in 1 liter of petrol is 18 kilometers. Students, today we have done exercise 2.7. With it we have completed our chapter 2. Our PT syllabus has completed chapter 1 and chapter 2. Thank you. Have a nice day.